Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, welcome. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe down below. Okay guys, so we're gonna jump right into this video. You already know what it's about. We're about to do a simple, cute YouTube banner. So let me go ahead and screen record. I kind of already went ahead and looked everything up. So the first step that you want to do is go into your Safari and type in YouTube banner template and go to images. And for real, you can just go with this first one right here and just save it to your photos. And I've already done this, so I'm not going to really redo it, but that's the first thing that you want to do. Go into Fonto. This is the easiest way I found to make my banners, so this is why I'm showing it to you guys, and I'm showing you a simple way to make your banner, because the banner that I do have right now, I would say kind of is like a pro version, I guess, of a banner. Here you would just go into photo albums, and I'm just gonna find mine real quick, and boom, here it is, and we're gonna hit done. So this is what the template will look like, and then you hit the 3 lines, hit add image, and then the easiest way I'm going to show you guys is to just use like a wallpaper. Go into Safari and just look up any type of background that you're looking for. I do have this cherry wallpaper right here, so I'm going to use this, and we're just going to hit done. Now what I am going to do is hit tilt, and we're just going to put this so that way it fits. And what I do is, to be honest, with this, since it is a wallpaper, I would just say make it just the right size to this. And to be honest, this would be the simplest way to do it than how I do some of my other ones. So okay, don't save it. Don't save it yet. So what we're going to do is go to alpha, and we're just going to turn it down just so we can see like that background, the template. And then what you're going to do is go ahead and type your channel name. This will pop up the text, okay? And we're just going to type Quisha Monet. And go ahead and choose your font. I'm just going to pick any font here. Oh no, actually I'm going to be specific with my font, you guys. Oh, let's try this one. Okay, and I'm going to move that actually out the way. We're going to just slide that up. So you see where it's like the darkest in the middle? That's where I like to kind of make sure everything is, because I do try to make sure when I make my banners that it's kind of like it looks good on iPhone. So that's why I make sure everything is in like that little tiny dark gray box. So you are going to want to like make your name a little bit smaller. And this is just like if you just want to just have your name, something simple but cute at the same time. So we're just going to add like a black stroke, and then say like we want like some pink in the back. Or maybe we should do red. Let's try red, because the pink might overshadow the other pink. So style, go up here to style at the top, and we're gonna hit red since the cherries are red. So just kind of make sure it's a little bit centered. Say like you want to have like something like written at the bottom of it, like what your channel is about, or like what days you're going to be posting, or just like a little quote that you like to say for your videos or something like that. So I think I'm just going to add the word subscribe at the bottom of this, and I'm actually going to make it a different font. Okay, we're going to go with that one, and I'm going to make it red, I think, with a white stroke. Yeah. So let's put that up there. Let's see how this will look. And of course you're going to want to size it down so it fits into that dark gray like small box. So, and then just fix your name. And we're gonna fix the subscribe. We're just gonna make sure this is all kind of like centered. Okay, but I want the subscribe. Yeah, there we go. And then just move that photo right back on top. And then turn up the alpha. So basically this is what it will look like. It would just be like cherries with your name with the subscribe button. I think this is cute. So what we're going to do is we're going to save it. And then I'm going to go to my photos and show it to you guys. So this is how it will look because it automatically crops your wallpaper to that YouTube banner template. So this is what it will look like. I guess I can go ahead and show you guys what it would look like as a banner. So let me go ahead and do that for you guys. I'm not going to completely save it, you guys, because I don't want to use this banner, but I do want to kind of show you guys like what it will look like. So it's loading. Oh, okay, so it's saying that it's not the right size. And this is normally how I do it. So basically we just need to go back and we need to make it 2048 by 1152. I don't know when they started doing this because I've done it this way plenty of times and it worked perfectly fine. But I'm just going to go back and use those estimates, I guess is what you call them. So let's go to Fonto. Go back to Fonto, you guys. And like I said, I've never had this issue, so yeah. We're going to go to plain image. We're just going to hit white. And it said custom 2048 by 1152. You just type that in, hit the box at the top, and hit use. Just to make sure it's going to be in the right thing, I'm going to hit the template, the YouTube template, and I'm going to zoom this to fit that. Okay, and I'm just going to turn down the alpha, and I'm going to go and find the template that we just did, and we're just going to make everything fit. So we are going to turn the alpha down, but just so we can see everything. And I think everything is actually fitting to size, so we're just going to turn the alpha back up and we're going to save it. And now we're going to go back to where you can put in your banner, and we're going to go ahead and grab that photo, and it should work this time. I don't know why it was having some issues before. And basically here you go. This is how it will look on all three devices: a desktop, a TV, and a mobile. And I always like to go over to where it says mobile and kind of zoom in to make sure it's like fitting right in the box and it looks totally perfect. And like I said, I'm not going to save it, so this is just my way of showing you guys what it will look like on mobile. It looks perfectly fine, and I actually like the way that this came out. This is really cute, but I don't want to use it. So yeah, guys, it's that easy and that simple to make a YouTube banner. I know we hit a little snug, but just make sure that when you guys go into Fonto that you do use 2048 by 1152, because that is going to help it like upload properly from your phone. I never had that issue before, so I'm not really sure what happened, if things changed or whatever, but that is how I make my banners. And that was just an easy, simple way to make a banner. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe down below, and I will see you guys in my next video.